Hi there, good Monday morning. I'm 22 Storm Team Meteorologist Nick Bannon with your morning video forecast. Lots of sun this morning, a slow increase in clouds this afternoon. Highs 30 to 34. That's very average for this time of year. And then tonight we drop into the teens. Here's the thing. Snow arrives after midnight, say between about 2 a.m. and 5 a.m. We'll see the majority of the snow showers overspreading the area, which means there will be snow around for the morning commute. That snow will slowly transition to a snow-rain mix and then eventually rain showers into tomorrow afternoon. Highs 38 to 42. But before we transition to rain, we'll get a little bit of an accumulation on the ground here for tomorrow morning. Looks like a coating to an inch for most of us in central and eastern Hampden and Hampshire counties. That includes the greater Northampton and Springfield areas. But as you head into Franklin County and our western hills, up to 2 inches of snow. That doesn't mean 2 inches everywhere there, but some slightly higher amounts north and west of the lower Pioneer Valley. We'll update you on the timing for the snow. Another round of rain and snow into Wednesday as well. Talk about all of that on 22 News at noon. See you then.